Yankees looking to keep the heat on the first-place Red Sox as they send Luis Severino to the mound to face the Rays on Wednesday.
Swing and a miss. Dickerson down looking. And the pitch. Swing and a miss. 99 miles an hour.
Now here's the 3-2. Line hard, base hit. Scoring is Ellsbury. Here comes Hicks. It is a 2-run double for Aaron Judge.
Drilled deep to left field. There it goes. See ya. This is Yes 2, a little known network. And the guy who carries the camera obviously is Torreyes. And then each guy who hits a home run gets a fake press conference.
Driven to deep right. That ball is high. It is far. It is gone. It's bye-bye birdie. Back to back and a belly to belly.
See ya. A long home run for Hicks. A 2-run blast.
They're waiting for Hicks to come in. There goes Torreyes with the phony camera. They're going to pretend to interview Hicks. No, this really is a team having a very good time.
Yankees earned the 6-1 win, but their elimination number is trimmed to 2 in the AL East as the Red Sox beat the Blue Jays. Luis Severino now has 230 strikeouts on the year, tied with CC Sabathia for the third most in a single season in franchise history.